Chinese style braised pork ribs. Mag-prepare po tayo ng 1/4 kilo short pork ribs. Ilagay sa isang pot at lagyan ng tubig. Just enough to cover our meat at atin ng pakuluan. Pagkakulo, alisin po natin sa tubig at iset aside ang ating meat. Magpainit po tayo ng mantika or olive oil sa pan at lagyan ng 3 tablespoons ng ating organic coconut sugar or pwede rin pong brown sugar. Let it caramelize po. Dapat po medyo mainit ang ating oil. At when prepared, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating pork ribs. Ito po yung pork ribs natin kanina. Ayan. You can stir it or turn each sides para mag-brown po yung ating meat. Ang ganda ng color, hindi ba? Then, we add in ang ating onion leeks, ginger, star anise, garlic or bawang. Add in soy sauce din and a little water. Just enough to cover half lang ng meat natin. Tapos, stir. Yan. Sarap tingnan. Habang nagbo-boil na siya or simmer, add in natin ang whiskey or beer. This is to add more flavor. Then cover and simmer. Stir again. And add in ang ating oyster sauce. Yan, yung oyster sauce. While our sauce thickens, stir natin once in a while. Yan, medyo nag-thicken na ang ating sauce. Sarap, no? Wow! I love the color. As we plate it, pwede natin lagyan ng spring onions on top or sesame seeds. Yan. Ito po ang ating Chinese style braised pork ribs. Enjoy!